think people are more health conscious nowadays. So I opened my first newer shop in January. I put in the animal.
Patawanin niyo pa. Ha? Patawanin niyo pa.
Naku nga, baka makita ko.
Hindi kayo kita. Hindi kayo kita.
Yan,
Hindi ako makapito, wala ko ipin eh.
gayahin mo to. Gayahin mo to. Pangit yung egg ko eh. Gayahin mo muna to. Bibunod ba?
Oh.
Ma, iba tong pangalan. May iba tong pangalan.
The feedback is very, very good, and then they like the yogurt taste.
Pagpapaswero mo na dyan.
Yeah.
Tumawa.
And then we come back, and then they like the yogurt taste.
Now tell us a little bit about the rate of the expansion from the first store that you opened at 12 choosing on now.
Dapat iba. Kaya mo to 4, di ba 4 kaya mo? Sulatin mo, hindi ko kaya eh. Sulatin mo para maharap.
Bait-bait naman ng bebeng yan, di ba? Di ba bait-bait naman yan?
Ito, kaya mo to iba.
Oo. Ba't lang gagalitin?
Yan.
Eh, papaka